Seth Australian Fishing here. Well, today we're going to be bass fishing at a half secret spot with my mate Deacon B. That's his YouTube channel, Deacon B. And I made one the other day, caught 2 good bass. Bloody love a bass fishing. Using a jigger bug. I'll show you in a minute. And a Savage Gear jigger bug. Savage Gear, a good brand. Please sponsor me if you're watching this video. Guys, I just cooked bass on, and Deacon just got a hit. Secret spot. He demolished that 4 bass. Yeah, there's one there. I did not want to get hit in plies, I reckon, eh? Best bet. Yeah, nice bass. Just hit it on the paws. Like, pretty happy with this. Sorry if it's a dodgy videoing, but need a. I'll go back soon. I just caught this bass on the this popper right there, circuit unknown spot, and yeah, oh, there he's there. I'm gonna release him. Beautiful. There he goes. Where is he? There he's there. Hey, buddy. Okay, come on. He's off. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope I can get another one. Guys, just caught a bass. Just getting this. There it is there. Nice bass. Oh shit, done my hat off. There. Just fishing on my bag there, Deacon B. That's his YouTube channel, Deacon B. Oh mate, look at that. Oh, good size one, eh? Yeah. They're getting better, decent size. So we're catching like 6 of them already. Just hooked him. No, I didn't. What did it say? Yes. Oh, I nearly got him. No. Oh, there's a fly on him.
Oh no. How did that hit?
Oh, fuck.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Look at that bass.
Water, dude. It's so close.
Another bass. There's Deacon Bentley. How you going, bro? Look at that. That's a bass. Oh, that's beautiful. Watch out for your line, bro. Watch out. Oh, there it is there. Right. Take this brother. Come on. Come on.
Did I just get tangled?
Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. Eon. Whoa. Where did he go? Where did he go? Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Guys, this one hooked up another bass. Not even joking. Hope this footage is good. Can you hold the bass, Deacon?
No.
Why?
Trying to catch a bass, mate.
Deacon, there's a bug there. Damn. I'll be back soon when I get it out. Guys, just caught this bass. We caught about, I don't know, about 11 of them already. There it is there. They have no teeth. You can just hold it like that. But there's absolutely amazing fish. Legit amazing fish. Guys, if you want to calm down, actually, doesn't matter about that, but guys, go catch some bass because they're good fun on top water, on poppers, and they're just a bit nasty in there, but they're just absolutely amazing fish. Go, ready? Ready?
What the fuck? I didn't even record it, but that's
Alright, ready? No, ready?
No. What the fuck?
Ready? Get that release. Come on, let's go. Ready? Get it? You can see it? You always have to release the bass. I might do a bass catch and cook maybe one day, but let's go. Come on, come on.
You can barely see the bass, but it's good.
Oh wow. It's off.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be back soon.
Your torch is gonna flip.
Still recording. Alright, thanks for watching. Well, guys, I just caught another bass on this same pop, man. On the same pop, I went catching them on. Whoa, nearly flew. Get him out. I'm not stepping on hard. It looks hard, but mostly not. Oh, I feel cruel doing that. But I have to. Oh, Deacon's on. Holy shit, hear that? Good one?
Yeah.
Open your mouth, mate. Hurry up. Look at his mouth. His mouth is... Ah! He's on. Deacon's on. Hear that drag? Hear that drag? You good, Deacon? Good one?
Yeah.
Where's my popper going? Here he's there. Just keep an eye on that bass. You want to see his bass or what? Yeah, might as well see his bass, eh? Because this spot's going off. Caught back heaps of them already.
Wait, just release yours.
Release mine?
Yeah.
If that's a bass for you.
You're gonna die.
Huh?
You'll probably die. Just release it.
There he's there. Come on. Come on. Hey, buddy. Deacon's on. That is a fluke.
Wait, stop.
Stop. Why?
Stop recording.
Oh. Hey guys, Seth Extreme Fishing here. Well, we had probably my bestest bass like fishing time in my life. I was using a popper, but I cast into the bank and then it snapped off. Like I was pretty shattered, but I used this little bug thing. Like I chucked it out first cast ever using the lure, and then I got a bite. Oh, not a bite, like a hit. Oh mate, off its head. Hope the footage is good. I'm getting a GoPro probably in the next week or so. I hope I'm gonna get better footage, and I'm using my iPhone now, but I hope I get better footage and stuff. Like and subscribe, and yeah, peace out.